Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will discussing the official cutoff for UGC Net Sociology for June 2024 and predicting the expected cutoff for December 2024. This analysis will help you to understand how much you need to score to qualifying for UGC Net and JRF. Let's start by looking at the official cutoff mark for UGC Net Sociology. Here, the official UGC Net Sociology cutoff for June 2024 as released by NTA. For the general category, the cutoff for JRF is 204. For net, it was 180, and for those qualifying for PhD admission, it was 156. For OBC non-creamier candidates, the JRF cutoff was 192, and net was 164, and PhD eligibility required a score 142. The EWS category had a cutoff for 192 for JRF and 164 for net and 140 for PhD. For SC candidates, the cutoff were 180 for JRF, 152 for net, 134 for PhD. Lastly, the ST candidates, the cutoff was 176 for JRF, 150 for net, 134 for PhD. Now, let's move on to the expected cutoff for December 2024 based on previous trends. Generally, the cutoff for the December UGC net is slightly different from June due to variation in exam difficulty, competition, and total applicants. Considering these factors, here is the predicted cutoff for December 2024. Okay. For general category, the expected JRF cutoff is around between 206 to 208 and net between 182 to 184 and PhD expected between 158 to 160. For OBC NCL candidates, we predict JRF cutoff between 194 to 196 and net between 166 to 168 and PhD between 144 to 146. For EW category, cutoff is likely to be between 194 to 196 for JRF and 166 to 168 for net, 142 to 144 for PhD. For SC candidate, the predicted cutoff is predicted cutoff between 182 to 184 for JRF and 154 to 156 for net and 136 to 138 for PhD. For ST candidate, we estimate a JRF cutoff between 178 to 180 and net between 152 to 154 and PhD 136 to 138. From this analysis, we can see that the December 2024 cutoff is expected to be slightly different from June 2024 by around 2 to 5 marks in most categories. However, this is just a prediction based on past trends. The actual cutoff will depend on factors such as exam difficulty, number of candidates, and normalization applied by NTA. If you are aiming for JRF or NET, you should target a score higher than the predicted cutoff to ensure qualification.